Imagine buying an SUV today and never worrying about breakdowns, costly repairs, or surprise maintenance. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're revealing 7 SUVs so reliable that Consumer Reports and CarEdge data show owners driving them well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. These aren't just cars, they're long-term legends, built to last decades. We'll cover everything from performance, reliability, pricing in the USA, and why owners love these vehicles so much. Stick around, because at number 1, we'll reveal the SUV that dominates every reliability chart, and it might already be in your driveway. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUVs are worth your money and which ones will keep running for years. Number 7. Subaru Crosstrek. Let's start small but mighty. The Subaru Crosstrek, compact yet incredibly durable, it's a favorite for owners who want reliability in a small SUV. CarEdge and Consumer Reports give it a 75 out of 100 reliability score, placing it among the top in its segment. Standard AWD, a robust 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter engine, and minimal repair frequency make it perfect for city driving, snow, or even light off-roading. Owners love its 152 to 182 horsepower, fuel efficiency, and surprising comfort for a compact SUV. Maintenance is easy and affordable, and the Crosstrek has a strong resale value. In the USA, prices range from $25,810 to $32,610, making it an affordable long-term investment. If you're looking for a small SUV that refuses to quit, the Crosstrek is a top contender. Number 6. Honda CR-V. Next is the Honda CR-V, the compact SUV that's all about dependability and practicality. CarEdge and Consumer Reports give it a 61 out of 100 reliability score, but don't let that fool you. It's consistent, durable, and predictable over the long haul. It comes with a 190 HP engine and smooth CVT, plus a hybrid option for better fuel economy. Owners appreciate its low maintenance costs, comfort, and versatility, perfect for city commuting or weekend trips. The CR-V balances performance with reliability perfectly, making it one of the most trusted SUVs in the compact segment. Prices range from $30,100 to $50,000 depending on the trim. With its reputation for lasting over 200,000 miles, this SUV is a smart choice for practical drivers. Number 5. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a family SUV that's more than just a pretty face. CarEdge and Consumer Reports highlight its high dependability, making it one of the most reliable 3-row SUVs today. With a 291 horsepower V6 engine, smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, and luxurious interior, it's comfortable and practical for daily life or long trips. Its build quality and long warranty provide peace of mind, and Consumer Reports shows owners are extremely satisfied with this SUV. Prices start around $36,000, and it's ideal for families who want space, comfort, and a vehicle that will keep running reliably for years. The Telluride also impresses with fuel efficiency and highway stability, making it a versatile choice for any lifestyle. Number 4. Lexus RX Hybrid. At number 4, the Lexus RX Hybrid combines luxury with rock-solid reliability. Consumer Reports and CarEdge rated 67 out of 100, making it the most dependable mid-sized luxury SUV in many rankings. Its hybrid powertrain is engineered to last, paired with premium materials and meticulous build quality. Performance ranges from 246 to 366 horsepower, giving you smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, and excellent fuel efficiency. Owners report very high satisfaction, and low repair frequency adds to long-term value. Prices start around $52,235, and this SUV is perfect for anyone who wants luxury, comfort, and longevity without constant maintenance headaches. Number 3. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV built for families who want reliability without compromise. Consumer Reports scores it 65 out of 100 for gas models and 64 out of 100 for hybrids, placing it among the most dependable options in its class. It offers 265 horsepower, optional hybrid efficiency, and a spacious 3-row interior that makes long trips and daily driving comfortable. Owners love its smooth ride, low maintenance needs, and Toyota engineering that keeps it running past 200,000 miles. Prices range from $39,820 to $53,975 depending on the trim. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, the Highlander delivers peace of mind, space, and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner SUV is legendary. Its body-on-frame construction gives it truck-level toughness, making it ideal for off-road adventures while still being practical for daily driving. Consumer Reports and CarEdge highlight Toyota's dominance in reliability, with owners routinely surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. It has a 270 HP V6 engine, rugged build, and minimal mechanical complexity, meaning fewer things can go wrong. Prices start around $41,000, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a durable, long-lasting SUV that handles both city roads and challenging terrain. Its reliability combined with off-road capability makes the 4Runner a rare mix of performance and longevity. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. Finally, the crown jewel, the Toyota RAV4, America's most reliable compact SUV. Consumer Reports and CarEdge score the 2025 RAV4 at 86 out of 100 for gas and 84 to 86 out of 100 for hybrid, with extremely high owner satisfaction. Its 203 horsepower gas engine and 219 horsepower hybrid offer efficient, smooth driving, making it ideal for both city and highway use. Low maintenance, excellent fuel efficiency, and proven Toyota engineering make it a vehicle you can drive for 15+ years with minimal issues. Prices range from $29,250 to $40,605, offering incredible value for a long-lasting, reliable SUV. And there you have it, the top 7 most reliable SUVs, backed by Consumer Reports and CarEdge data. These are SUVs that perform, last, and satisfy owners for decades. Whether you want a compact, mid-size family hauler, luxury hybrid, or rugged off-roader, this list has you covered. Which SUV surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car insights, reliability secrets, and top vehicle lists.